The most powerful skin whitening recipe that they don't want you to know. Complete face and neck rejuvenation and lift in just 3 days. 100% effective. Are you looking for a product that guarantees to make your skin clear and even and to fade and disappear skin spots and dark spots caused by burns or acne scars? The magical and amazing and ancient recipe for a rice and frankincense mask with flax seeds is the product that all beauty seekers are looking for. Yes, you heard right. I will tell you this recipe for free. I know that many of my colleagues will be angry with me because they sell the same formula alone for $100,000. They just change its name and call it more special so that the audience thinks they have something new. Good news to you, my dear audience. I also revealed the recipe for the most expensive toner in the world, whose name I cannot tell, in this video. Watch until the end. You will understand for yourself. In this formula, we need rice. Sometimes I think rice was created for human beauty, not for the need to be full and eat. 6 tablespoons. Separate and wash white rice. You need to rinse it once or twice. Do not throw away the rice water. The best 5. It is very efficient and useful for growing plants. Pour 2 glasses of water into the pot where we wash the rice and finally add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. Put it on low heat. Do not close the pot because it foams. Friends who have just seen my skin routine video for the first time, I warn you, subscribe to the channel now and ring the bell to be informed about the latest content of the channel. All the mentioned content is scientific and tested. Follow me with peace of mind. Make it and become beautiful and attractive. Have you ever tried using a rice mask? Please write your experience in the comments section. The effect of rice on skin and hair. One of the most important benefits of rice is its properties and nutritional value for skin and hair. With a proper diet, you can use rice to increase hair growth and improve skin health. Benefits of rice for skin and hair. You may have only seen rice as a filling food until now, but the truth is that this white grain is also a hidden treasure for skin and hair. From rice water to homemade masks and rice bran oil, this food ingredient has a lot of hidden properties that can help you in glowing skin and strengthening hair. If you are looking for a natural and hassle-free way to take care of your skin and hair, rice is the one you should not ignore. 1. Cleansing the skin with rice water. Rice water is one of the easiest and most effective ways to remove dirt from the face and close open pores. When you wash or boil rice in water, you get a milky solution that is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. This solution not only cleanses the skin, but also makes your face look smoother and fresher. You can soak a cotton pad in rice water and apply it once a day. It also helps reduce excess oil on the skin. 2. Boost hair growth with a rice water mask. If your hair is growing slowly or you feel it is becoming weak and brittle, rice water can be your savior. This natural liquid increases blood circulation in the scalp and revitalizes the hair roots. Of course, you have to use it regularly to see results. To use, simply apply rice water to your hair like a conditioner after washing your hair and rinse it off with plain water after 20 minutes. Your hair will become softer, shinier, and stronger. 3. Reduce skin inflammation with the help of rice. Rice has anti-inflammatory properties, especially if you use brown or whole grain rice. Eating it can reduce inflammatory acne or red spots. On the other hand, rice face masks also help reduce inflammation, itching, and redness. For example, you can mash cooked rice, mix it with a spoonful of yogurt, and apply it to your skin for 15 minutes. The result is softer, smoother skin. 4. Gentle and natural exfoliation. Another attractive feature of rice is that it can be a gentle scrub. Especially if you use rice powder, you can easily remove dead skin cells without causing damage. This type of exfoliation is great for sensitive skin. Simply mix rice powder with a little honey or rose water and massage it into your skin in circular motions. After washing your face, you will experience a special feeling of cleanliness and softness. Before I explain the rest of the properties of rice for skin and hair, I will tell you about the mask recipe, that the frankincense should stay in water for about 10 hours so that it transfers its effect to the water. The water you pour on the frankincense should be boiling water, and you can continue to add boiling water again and use it as much as you remove from the frankincense water. And the next item is rice and flaxseed that has been completely crushed on the heat. That is, test the rice grain. It is crushed between your fingernails, which means it is ready to remove the pot from the heat. Friends, I spend a lot of energy and time to produce content for you. This is considered a job for me. Please do not be stingy and compensate by subscribing to the channel and at least introducing several friends to join the channel. You also give me energy because I see the results of my efforts. The properties of rice are so valuable. Knowing it, I will complete the explanation of the properties of rice. Preventing premature skin aging. The antioxidants in rice, especially brown rice, help fight free radicals. This slows down the aging process of the skin. Regular use of a rice mask or daily consumption can delay wrinkles. If you want to make a natural anti-aging mask, you can use cooked rice, milk, and a little honey and apply it to your skin twice a week. 6. Strengthen hair texture and prevent split ends are a common problem for many. Rice water and even rice bran oil help strengthen hair strands and make hair less likely to break or split. These natural ingredients nourish the hair shaft, making it softer and more flexible. To do this, you can apply rice bran oil to your hair before bathing and wash it with a mild shampoo after half an hour. After a few uses, you will feel the difference. 7. Clear and bright skin. If you are looking for natural skin lightening, rice is one of the natural options that can help you. Both eating rice and masks made from it will brighten and even out your skin tone over time. One effective method is to mix rice flour with cucumber juice and apply it on your skin. This combination will both brighten your skin and remove the look of fatigue from your face. 8. Nourish your skin with vitamins. Rice naturally contains vitamins B, E, and beneficial minerals that help strengthen your skin. These vitamins not only make your skin soft and supple, but they also speed up the process of skin cell regeneration. Rice nutritional value for skin and hair. You might be interested to know that rice is not only filling, but also a wonderful source of nutrients that nourish the skin and hair. The ingredients in rice, including various vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, promote hair growth, soften the skin, reduce inflammation, and even prevent premature aging. Whether you consume it orally or use it as a mask or rice water on your skin and hair, you will feel its effect very quickly. Let's review once. I put 6 tablespoons of washed rice with 2 teaspoons of flaxseed, along with 2 glasses of water, on medium heat for half an hour to cook. I soaked 1 tablespoon of frankincense in a glass of boiling water the day before so that I could use it in my skin mask today. After the rice and flaxseed are cooked and mashed, I start mixing with a blender. At the same time, I add 2 teaspoons of frankincense water and 1 teaspoon of shea butter and mix thoroughly. The rice and frankincense mask is ready. I can boldly say, the best, most efficient, and most practical mask for skin whitening, lifting, rejuvenation, and anti-blemish is this mask. It works so strongly that you won't believe it. That's what nature's miracle means. Friends who have just joined us, please be my inspiration by subscribing to the channel to give my best. Tell me from which city you see me. Take a moment to increase our friendship and find the strongest connection. How enjoyable it is to say, for example, that I have a friend in the Arctic or in Germany or in Sweden or India. I love connecting with people around the world. I ask you to accept my friendship and connect with each other. Friends, activate the video subtitles and choose your language. I value each and every one of you, dear ones. Until the next episode, may God protect you.